Hi everyone, welcome to Miss Chinese Food. I'm Jack. Today we'll learn how to cook salmon head. This recipe is Chinese braised style. Let's start. Firstly, we should prepare ingredients for this food. Slice 5 cloves of garlic. Then save them for later. Cut 3 slices of ginger. Then save them for later. Cut 1 bunch of green onion, separate green onion segment and green onion leaves. Cut 5 grams dried red peppers. Then save them for later. Next, we should prepare the salmon head. We wash 1 salmon head for this food. Then cut in half. Then save them for later. Now we can start to cook salmon head. Add 3 tablespoons of peanut oil into the pan. Use a small fire to heat it. Then garlic, green onion segment, ginger, 2 star anise, dried red peppers into the pan. Then add salmon head into the pan. Add enough water to immerse 2/3 of the salmon head. Then 1 teaspoon cooking oil, half tablespoon seasoned soy sauce for seafood, 1 teaspoon oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon white vinegar, half teaspoon chicken powder, half teaspoon pepper, half teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon soybean sauce into the pan. Cover the lid and use the bigger fire to boil it. After the water has boiled, use the bigger fire to braise it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open the lid and use the middle fire to remove the sauce. After that, garnish with the green onion leaves. Then we got the delicious braised salmon head. Salmon head is rich in collagen, that making them a real beauty meal. If you taste it, you'll find that the salmon head is more delicious than the salmon meat. Hope you can try it at home. Okay, that's our Chinese food today. If you like our video, please subscribe or like us. If you have any problems, please leave your comment below. Thanks for watching. See you next Chinese food. Bye.